Karibu.
Asante sana.
Goko gwetagwo kabati.
Ndona wira uria muraruta goko.
Era ndu uria urona goko.
But by the way, ino yakitwo the last 1 month ngo marajirie Promitto. Even if your plot is empty, ndina kindu mete nimegwakira nyumba. And this one may could deliver by December. Mwenye neguthama guku by December. And you'll be amazed. 70% financing, and you come in and they deliver your home, they supervise, they get all the permits, everything they need. Wewe ikare mucie. Wake mucie toyo. Kone ko boro ko bora. Kone go ikara. At the end of the day, it's your property. Don't let your land lie idle. Exactly. Promitto. Onate.
0729 506 506.
Hihi ni maundu mariku unique wonete megie Promitto?
Ni riri, ino andu aingi muno ri mena broti.
Sure.
No mani ni bia makigura broti. Gwakari mati na icio mbeca. Kana ni makite magakwama. That's the best thing about Promitto. To moka magakuninira nyumba if it's half built. Ko na ndoi na kindu ni meguka magwakire. Na ma supervise, make it permits, deal na mafudi, na kila kitu, makonengere nyumba within 6 months. That is a big advantage.
Kwena mundu ikarite thigura kwirira uguo nina kiage yake. No rona ino ti idea exist. Ukira mundu toci atia.
Handu ha guikara hario riri na kiage ikare kiikari. Ndeke Promitto magwakire. Kondu guthama kuu ri koborithia. Icio mbeca kuona ri waje kuriha Promitto nacio. Niki ureterera. At the end of the day, kia giaku kina nyumba and more value. And that's what Promitto does. They give you value where there was no value. No rehe kahora.
Andu meraga atiriri, kia ni giaku, Promitto irahuthira mbeca ciao. Urateki.
Alafu. Sasa